I spend zero time thinking about what's happening down here in Washington, and I spend little time thinking what's going on in Russia or China. I just deal with facts. When the economy's going down, when the economy's going the wrong way, I can deal with that. This whole health care reform bill drove a lot of drug stocks down to low levels, and I could say to myself, well, 60% of Johnson & Johnson's earnings are outside the United States. Their pharmaceutical drug business is all on patent. Nothing's coming off patent. They only have 5% of sales from one product, which is Tylenol, which is already an over-the-counter drug and is growing overseas. I says, why is this stock gone from 58 to 36? And these companies are already dealing in Japan and overseas with they already have the government controlling pharmaceutical prices. They've dealt with it. So I deal with facts. They might, this year, I thought it was very likely you'd have a bill passed on health care. It didn't happen. They drove the stocks down, but I think the stocks would have rebounded anyway, even if the health care bill was passed. So I don't deal with what's happening in Congress or what's going to happen in the future. I just deal with what's happening in the economy and what's happening in the companies I call.